My name is Avishkar. I am Vishnu.
I'm Charit.
I'm Shriyata. I'm Vaishnavi. I am Vasundhara.
We are working on a project Mobility Monitor. We are from Team 1.
Our project is Mobility Monitor. So coming to the introduction of our project, so traditional wheelchairs lacks the integrated health monitoring system. So this leads to the delayed diagnosis of the health issues of the wheelchair users. So caretakers has to take care of the wheelchair users, and also this leads to the lack of privacy and independence for the wheelchair users. So we wanted to build a system where we have a track of all our vital signs, which includes pulse, temperature, and oxygen levels, and saline monitoring of the saline bags.
Coming to the existing solution, there are existing solution where it measures the vital signs of the patient, such as remote monitor systems and wearable fitness tracks, and also pulse oximeter fingertips. These systems measure the vital signs of the patients, but not send any notifications to the case.
Existing solutions, that these devices are very expensive and they require frequent charging, and we need to measure the readings of the health parameters separately, as they are not integrated with the wheelchair, and they do not send the emergency notifications and alerts because they do not contain the real-time operating systems, which can be threat to the user's physical users.
Our proposed solution for this problem is a wheelchair which can monitor our vital signs and also monitor the saline levels. So here the vital signs which are included are pulse rates, blood oxygen levels, and body temperature. So when the body temperature is high or low, it will give a message, and people also can check the vital signs 24/7. When the saline levels are low, it will also give a buzzer.
Now coming to components, we use ESP32. It is a microcontroller. It has two features. One is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We use DS18B20 temperature sensor to measure the temperature of the patient, and we use pulse oximeter that will check the pulse of the patient, and we use the stand. It will carry two glucose, and we use ultrasonic sensor. It will measure the distance of the glucose.
All the sensors, temperature sensor, pulse oximeter, and ultrasonic sensor less than required voltage less than 5 volts. So these sensors are connected to the microcontroller itself, as it provides 5 volts. So initially every sensor is tested to get the voltage values. The voltage values are converted to the respective parameters like BPM, temperature, using a respective package or any formula, and mapping the values. So these readings are collected and converted into sent into a Blink, which is IoT platform to provide the real-time monitoring of all the readings. And coming to ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the distance between the saline and saline bottle and between two saline bottles. When the bottle become empty, it will rise up. So the other saline bottle moves down, the distance reduces. So by this we can calculate, through the distance between the saline bottle, we can calculate the percentage of saline present in it. Thank you.
So in our model, we have pulse oximeter. Here we have to keep the fingertip, and here we have temperature sensor. Here we have to keep our hand, which should be in contact with the temperature sensor. And here we have the weight balance, which will check the amount of saline in the saline bottles. And here we have ultrasonic sensor, which will give the readings of the amount of percentage of the saline levels.
Coming to working, it was connected to Blink IoT, and these are the readings noted. Here this is a BPM. It changes for every 1 second. This is SpO2. It also changes for every 1 second. This is body temperature. It takes time to update. And this is a level of saline percentage. This is a chart of BPM. Coming to working of
Bottles. Here it works on the weight mechanism, and we have a ultrasonic sensor ultrasonic sensor gets reduced, so that when it reaches nearer to the ultrasonic sensor, we get a buzzer and a notification in our Blink website.
Coming to notification process, we get an email from Blink, and we also have a dashboard which we also get a pop-up. We also get pop-up notifications. Thank you. Thank you.